Hi, this is Mrs. Gochin, the Media Specialist at William N. Middle School. In this video, we will review how to search and save articles from the WAMS databases that you will use for your 7th grade Shark Tank research project. Before we begin, just a reminder that the WAMS Research Guide is an online website with video clips, tools, and tips for all the research steps and skills. You can find this website by Googling WAMS Research Guide or going to the WAMS Media Center Resources page and clicking on the WAMS LibGuides link in the center of the screen. This website can help answer any research questions you might have. Databases have many useful features to help you in your research. You might get back hundreds or thousands of articles from your keyword search. Using these features can help you narrow your results and save you lots of time. Let the databases do the work for you. In the large databases, you can use features such as full text, sort by relevance, limit by subject, or limit by type to get to fewer, more useful articles for your research. Full text only shows the complete articles that exist in the database, so you get the full article. Sort by relevance reorders the results list, so articles most closely related to your keywords are at the top of the list, hopefully the best ones. Limit by subject narrows that list of results to specific subjects within your topic, and then limit by type allows you to only see results for a certain type of article, for instance magazine or newspaper articles. Another feature in most databases now is a way to save an article to your Google Drive as a Google Doc, and also even to save to Google Classroom. Let's take a look at how these features work in a database. Our example database is Gale's Student Edition. After you type in your keywords, and I'll do animal rights, you get a list of results. The default is content type magazines. I could change that by selecting books or news, etc. You can also see right here the sort by relevance that we talked about, which will bring the best articles to the top. That's the default. You can also sort by newest if you want. The limit by type is right here, as we said, and then the limit by subject is right here. You would click that plus sign and then choose any one of these topics to narrow your results down even further. And you'll see that now I'm down to 188 articles, in particular about animal welfare. Okay, once I've chosen an article, and I'll choose this one as an example, there's usually a tools box, or in some databases it's called a use this article box, and you would click on the send or save to Google Drive link. You should get a confirmation back that your article was successfully saved, as I have here. If you're not logged into Google Drive, you will be prompted to log into Google Drive first. If it's the first time that you're saving an article to a database, you will also be asked permission for that database to access your Google Drive. Click the Allow button. I've provided a database pathfinder to help you use these features effectively. Let's look at that now. Please look at the Database Pathfinder sheet as directed by your teacher and pause the video if needed. This Database Pathfinder for your project describes each database and the best steps for searching in that database. So you can see right here a database and the steps to search. Here's another database and the steps to search. When you choose a database to search, please follow those steps. One of the bulleted steps will tell you how to save your article to Google Drive. For instance, right here. Also notice the Pathfinder tells you the type of articles that are in the specific database and also the password that you will need to access that database at home. Use this Pathfinder to help make your searching much easier. To get started with your database searching, you need to go to the 7th grade Language Arts Shark Tank Research Guide page. If you haven't already, open a tab in your browser and follow these numbered steps at the top of your database Pathfinder to get to that LibGuides page. Pause the video as needed. On this webpage, you will see a box for each of the 6 different databases that you can use for this project. They match the information that is on your database Pathfinder. Begin by choosing one of the databases to search, either based on instructions from your teacher or by starting with a database you are familiar with. Follow the bulleted steps for that database and use the sets of keywords you have identified for your research. Don't give up too soon on a database. Make sure you try searching with different combinations of keywords, utilizing the strategies we've talked about. Good luck with your research.